Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today, we're taking a look at something simple, but useful. A case. Or, if you want to sound fancy, an enclosure. I designed this enclosure to hold a modern version of the Arduino Nano. This one has the USB Type-C plug. I also wanted a clean and minimal interface without a mountain of parts. So this setup uses a 128 by 64 OLED screen and a rotary encoder with a built-in switch. Simple, functional, no extra fluff. I've got a few projects lined up that will use this enclosure, but for today we're loading a simple test program. This'll let us check the input response, screen output, and make sure that encoder doesn't decide to skip steps. So let me know what you think about this enclosure or overall setup. Everything evolves. Designs, ideas, even my 3D printer's weird noises at 2 a.m. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next time.